Hi, this is Keith and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over how we can recreate this successive order of months from January to December in your columns. And we're going to do this through three Excel functions: the text function, date, and column functions. So let's first describe what these functions are. Well, the text function lets you change the way a number appears by applying a format to it. So basically, if we have a date that we want to reformat, and we want to reformat it as just the months, we're going to put 4 M's as its argument. So basically, the text function has two arguments. The first one is the value you want to format. In this case, we're going to be reformatting a date. And then we're going to tell it, well, what format do we want it to change to? In this case, we just want to take a date and then reformat it so it just displays the month. The other function that we're going to use is the date function. So we use this function when you need to take three separate values and combine them to form a date. So the date function has three arguments: the year, the month, and the day. And now the column function returns the column number of the given cell reference. So in the column function, it takes one argument, the reference. Now this is optional. So I'm going to show you how this works. So if I go into this column here and type in column, and if I don't give it any arguments, it's going to return 3. And the reason is, since I was in cell in the column C, this is 1, 2, and 3. So that's the third column. Now, if I change this and give it a cell reference, I'm just going to click this for example, it's going to return 11. The reason is K is the 11th column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's how the column function works. Okay? So let's recreate how this is done here. So we're going to work from the inside out. So if I start in this column, column C, I'm going to type that in. It's going to return 3. Okay? However, this is going to be used as part of the date function, and it's going to be used as a second argument. So remember, the date function takes the first argument as the year, the second argument is the month, and this third argument is the day. So in this case here, let's wrap this column function using the date function. So I'm going to start with a date, tab into that. The first argument, in this case, I'm going to put in 2021. The second argument, we want to return the month. So if we want to start this first cell off with the month of January, and if column returns 3 in this case, because it's in the third column, we want to subtract 2. So it'll give us month 1. Minus 2. And then the third argument to the date function is just the day of the month and year. We're going to fix this as the first day of the month. So if I close that out, hit enter, and it returns 1/1/21. So that's January 1st, 2021. Now let's reformat this so it returns the month of January. So we're going to add in the text function, tab into that. The first argument is the way we want to reformat this first argument, which is going to be the date. The second argument, how do we want to reformat it? Well, we want to reformat it so it spells out the month. So we're going to put MMMM, double quotes, hit enter, and there you go. And now if I copy this formula all the way over, you can see that it dynamically changes all the months for you. So hopefully this gives you a better understanding of how you could use these three functions to create a list of months for you in chronological order. Thank you for stopping by today, and you have a great day.